Allow me to read a letter from a viewer. My car is a 2024 Subaru Impreza RS. The car came with SiriusXM and a free trial of SiriusXM activated the day the car was purchased. The car is wireless Android Auto, so I use that for media. Once the trial is up, the car displays a full screen ad while driving that the trial has expired and how to sign up for service. The ad does not go away on its own. It requires the driver to hit the X button in order to see anything on the display. I called a Subaru dealer and Subaru corporate support, and they said nothing can be changed on their end. I have to contact SiriusXM. I contacted SiriusXM and explained it all the way to an agent, and they claimed to disable the ads. I once again got a full-screen SiriusXM ad, because it's important that I know that their service is free for the holidays. Tried calling Sirius again, and now it's their awful AI bot. Long story short, I have to make an account with SiriusXM, provide them my radio ID, and then change the advertising preferences in the SiriusXM account in order to disable in-vehicle ads, with the caveat that it may not disable all in-vehicle ads. I had to agree to their terms of service in order to use the online account so I can opt out of ads from the company I never chose to do business with. Also, the vehicle came with a feature that displays gas stations nearby and their prices and lists the distance to the various gas stations. Evidently, this feature requires an active SiriusXM subscription or it will show $0 for gas. I feel that since this is forced on all new vehicle purchases, it would do well in a video rant, as it's extremely frustrating how ads from a third party are opt-in on a $32,000 car. And to opt out, I have to enter into agreement with the company so they can presumably sell my data just to get their ads off my screen while I'm driving. Now, I wasn't really sure what was going on here when I read this for the first time. I didn't understand it. And then I got to see this. This special SiriusXM limited time offer, and this is in the Subaru subreddit. Is there a setting? Can I change a wire and unplug somewhere? I pay for Spotify. I don't need or want satellite radio. It's not worth it. Even at $4 a month, I should not be subjected to pop-up ads in my car. I remember how difficult it was to get SiriusXM to cancel my subscription 6 or 7 years ago, and I'm not interested in going through that again when the introductory price goes away. This actually isn't new. Ford started working on patenting this almost 2 years ago. United States Patent Application publication, in-vehicle advertisement presentation systems and methods are disclosed herein. An example method includes determining vehicle information for a trip, the vehicle information including any one or more of a current vehicle location, speed, drive mode, traffic information, determining user information, the user including any one or more of a route prediction for a trip, speed prediction for a trip, and/or destination, determining user preferences for advertisement for any one or more of the audio signals within the vehicle, audio signals within the vehicle, determining user preferences for ads from audio signals within the vehicle. You have to install uBlock Origin on your car now. The first few things that I get into before I say what I think of this. Number one, to the gentleman whose car looks like this, contact me. I will provide you with a free Mr. Clinton spray bottle and microfiber cloth. UVEX not included. We need to get the ads off of your car, but first, let's get rid of some of that dust. I've had these for quite a bit. Haven't sold very well. But for you, I'll give you one for free, but only to the driver of that particular car. Secondly, one of the things that I spoke about with Aaron a few months ago, we were talking, is he would like to see businesses that had a sign up that said something along the lines of lobotomize your television, $50. If we lived in a different world with Section 1201 of the DMCA, it wasn't the law of the land. And I would like to take that a step further. I think that there are many people that would actually pay at this point to have their cars lobotomized if there were a safe, secure, and most importantly, legal way to do so. And the fact that you're getting ads that are full screen that you can't get rid of without signing up for an account, that's insane. If I don't have any business with SiriusXM, then I should not have to sign up for an account with SiriusXM in order to get the SiriusXM ad off of my car. Now, if this $32,000 car costs $12,000, we can have a conversation about what you want to display on my car. But as long as I'm paying full price for the car, this can't stand. And again, just so people understand, this is not something that is new. I went over this in a prior video. Ford is already filed a patent on this. Again, determining user preferences for advertisements from any one or any more of the audio signals within the vehicle, historical user data, selecting the number of advertisements to present to the user during the trip, and provide it. Nah, you can't normalize this. I think the best step forward would be at this point, when you contact the dealer and they say this is, again, and I know a lot of people are not going to be able to make the time for this, and I know that it seems incredibly petty, and I just don't care, if I have to sign up for something to get rid of this, defective. I would love to hear what Steve Lehto has to say about this. Could you utilize a lemon law if you receive a vehicle that is advertising to you inside the vehicle and you did not consent to it? I am petty enough that I would try to return this under lemon law. I'm not kidding. I'm very curious what Steve Lehto thinks of this. Are you actually able to do that? Would that just be a waste of everybody's time? I don't personally care if it's a waste of the dealer's time, if it's something that you could get away with, because again, you should not have to. Like, you know when they say you wouldn't download a car? Like, you're right, I wouldn't download a car because I don't download ads. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.